Hello, this is Ralph, and you can use tarot to answer a wide variety of questions. And in this simple three-card spread, I ask the question, how will my bonsai trees do this season? I have a number of interests besides tarot. I have an interest in bonsai, been doing that for 3 years, been doing affiliate marketing now for a few years. And if I could just find an affiliate marketing offer that uh, included bonsai and tarot, I would be in hog heaven. But anyway, the spread for today is how well will my bonsai trees do this year? And I was thrilled the way these cards came up. A lot of wands and swords to start out with. And in the beginning, okay, we got the Knight of Swords. And that is telling in the context of this question because when it comes to bonsai, a mistake that a lot of beginners will make is they think it's simply a matter of taking a tree, pruning the roots, and then taking that tree and throwing it in a very shallow a pot. And that will normally end up in killing the tree if you don't know what you're doing. Takes a little bit of time to learn how to do bonsai right. And yeah, in the beginning, I killed a lot of trees, just kind of learning. But over the course of the last 3 years, I've learned to be watching a lot of bonsai videos and learning how to do the art a lot better. And now my trees are tending to live rather than die. But yeah, the Knight of Swords indicates a process of learning, taking action, learning as you go, and kind of learning the finer points of doing the art. Now, the present card, Ten of Wands, indicating a lot of the old trees are doing well. They're coming back. So, yeah, a lot of the trees that I started out with last year and even 2 years ago, they are starting to come back strong. And I went out to our outside garden just a couple hours ago and saw a lot of the old trees coming into bloom now. And so I would estimate that right now we've got probably about 20 bonsai, and I've got a few more that I'm questioning about, but hopefully they will start to bloom and do well too. But anyway, it looks like the present is looking good. And then the future card, the Six of Wands, indicating victory, indicating moving forward with confidence. And I get a feeling that is where I'm at right now in the art. 3 years ago, I was just starting out. I was making a lot of common beginner's mistakes and killing off a lot of trees. Now, today, we've got at least 20 trees that are doing pretty well, already potted up and doing nice. And I've got a lot more, some rather thick trunk trees that has taken me some time to develop. And hopefully, they are going to be coming into bloom this year too. They're kind of slow greening up, but hopefully, as we get into May, things will shape up a whole lot better. And then, yeah, I have a feeling going forward this year, we're going to see a lot of good new growth coming into the bonsai garden. So, yeah, if you got a question about anything, really, tarot can help you answer the question. And it's really funny sometimes how the right suits will pop up at the right time with the right question. Like here, a question about trees and growth, and we have predominantly wands in the tarot spread. But yeah, if you have a question, normally you can take it to your tarot deck and get some pretty good guidance once you learn how to do it and what you're doing. So this is Ralph signing out. If you would like to inquire about getting a private reading by phone or by email, you can find us online at ralphstarot.com/readings. Get all the information you will need, and we'll be happy to talk with you. So until later, this is Ralph signing out. Have a great day. Talk soon. Bye bye.